friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys battery setting in our Oppo phone. In this video friends we will talk about guys how can we on guys battery saver mode in our Oppo phone. Guys you want to on guys your battery savers by how can you on in your Oppo phone? Today I will show you in this video. So we will talk about guys how can we on battery saver in our Oppo phone. So first of all guys open your phone setting to on your battery saver, then guys scroll it. Friends you can see phone battery setting, then tap here. So once you can see your power saving mode means guys your battery saver mode guys you want to on guys you can on from here this right side. After on guys you can see your batteries will decrease and guys you can see this your battery indicator will yellow. So friends, you want to on guys your battery saver means guys your power saving mode, so you can on from here. So after on guys you can save your battery for some hours, like when you are in outside you don't have battery in your phone. You should on guys your battery saver, then guys you can save your battery for a time like 4 hours. Then guys when you will reach home you can charge your phone. So bye friends, thanks for watching.